Nice shot.
Woohoo! What a shot, big boy! Bumalik ka nga sa white. Hanap sa... One more? Sumayad pa yan, pre, ha? Nice shot. Nice shot.
Good. Can we get you anything to drink?
I think I'm good. What about you, Nick?
For now, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Anything for you? Okay, we'll see you next time around.
See ya.
Thank you. Hindi ko tinanggal yung video.
Oh, yan na ganyan.
Pero kumari. Pero ako nakuha ba?
May ebidensya.
Okay.
Woo! Woohoo! 168. Let's watch. It's raining. Looks good.
Perfect.
Wala akong ano eh. Wala akong tira.
Over. Over. Woo!
Aragon on the tee.
Hindi.
Nice shot. Nice shot, sir. Nasa right side. Ang hilig sa puno.
Samahan kita.
Alam, Brad. Tama, sumayad pa rin yun. Ito mo, ganda oh. Gitna. Nice shot. Kailangan yung sayad palagi.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Nice. Tama mo ha. Na-outdrive pa ni Nicky yan.
At sir.
Thank you. I like that one.
Right there.
Oops!
Over.
Nagdodraw ako ah. Wow.
Time check. 10:46. Hole number
15.
16. 16 na tayo. 16. 16. 242 yards. Par 3.
What in the world?
Finish. Okay.
Nasa dulo pa yung ano. Nasa back pa yan. The right side. Hindi ko perfect yung aking 3 woods. Minsan nabibikon ka. Minsan mahal na mahal mo.
Ay, ano 13?
213.
Okay, 3 wood. Wood.
Nicky Boy is on the tee shot. 213. 3 wood.
Oh no.
Grounded it. But he said, oh no.
Ulit. No, sir. Take 2. Kayo muna, sir.
Another take for Nicky. Parang shooting lang. Take 2. Ayang Nicky, tumama ng konti. Ang ganda nun.
To the right. Up.
Anong ginamit mo?
50.
50?
Oo.
Nice. Go.
Birdie.
Let's watch.
Ako muna?
Oh, sige, ikaw.
Woo! See that? Let's document this birdie shot. Pwede nang matulog.
Bye.
Document yun.
Oh, okay, good, good.
May puweba. May puweba din.
I'll take that.
Nako.
Alright,
Pressure na
Nicky.
naman.
Alright, Nicky.
Pressure
Okay.
na naman.
Ay. Boogie. Yun na! Lahat, documented ah.
Tampat na, no?
One pat.
Pat. Good.
Pero isa dyan, birdie. Siyempre. Pag
Mas magaling yun.
Good souvenir ko, akin ang hole na to. Akin ang hole na to.
Gusto mo yung...
Good old. Alright, good shot. Are we going?
After three.
Straight up.
I'll take that shot. Oh, nice shot. How about that? The middle of the fairway.
Nice. Doon na pala. Nice shot. Yun, pangit ang tira. Getting worse, it's getting worse.
Save one. Save one. I'll take that.
Check lang. Ah, mali. Last. Nice shot. Tayo rito.
Alright.
Seta mo sa likod mo.
Sige, salamat sir. Okay, I'm gonna hit my third shot. It's like a 80 yard. So we shall see. Naiya sa camera. Ganun pala yung feeling pag may camera, pre.
Pag ikaw pa nagse-set up ng sarili mo.
Ay, salamat. Pala may camera.
Naka-delete naman yun, hindi natin papapost yun.
Pagulong siya, di ba? Manilang direction. Tama, dahil ganun ang unang tira eh.
Very good. Hindi natin papakita kahit kanino yun. Nice shot.
Go.
Up, down. Tagilid ko.
My shot daw.
Short. Oh! Picture tayo dito mamaya. Andali.
Lasad muna.
Par. Par sa last hole.
Oh, par.
Oo, par sa last. Kasi birdie siya, birdie pot siya rin eh. Dagal namin.
Sabi, kami mabagal eh.
Binilisan nyo yata eh.